So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to lock Google Chrome profile with password. So guys, if you want to lock Google Chrome password, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go to your Google Chrome. Okay, here you see that I have one profile. Now if you have a multiple profile, so here you can check all your profile here. Okay, now here simply go for the option of web store. Okay, after hit enter, click the option of Chrome Web Store. Okay, now you simply click the option of got it, and after that here you simply search the option search Chrome lock. Okay, so you simply search Chrome lock in and install it. Okay, so you download the second one. This is for the Chrome lock browse password lock extension. Okay, so you just go here, click and add to Chrome and add extension. Now your extension is now add. Okay, wait a few seconds, and guys, here you see, click here for the extension, then you pin this extension. Now this is it is here. Now click here and complete the setup. Please enter the password. So I like to enter 12345. Then complete the lock and auto lock on the startup and auto lock while in ideal. So guys, here you see, when I close my Chrome and I open it, now guys, here you see that it asks me the password. When I entered the password, click the option of unlock. 12345. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.